like the money not even come. It's another one, guys. Another travel. Gotta go to Washington State. Do some business, of course. You know, I'm testing out my TSA free again. You know, running through like that. Hold on. TSA free. Hey. There you go.
Here in Denver.
All right, guys, had a connecting flight in Denver, Colorado. I haven't caught a connecting flight in a while, and as you can see, Denver, this airport was huge. It might be competing with Atlanta, but I'm gonna let y'all in a second though. Keep watching the video. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share. You know.
Next flight. It's a rental, guys. I know it's down there because I already clicked the alarm button. Should have got it. They gave me this. It's all good.
So guys, I had to get a hotel at the Fairfield, and you know I'm a Holiday Inn baby, but it wasn't unavailable, so I'll go ahead and take these guys.
Hey, Fairfield, not bad. Not bad. You know, they're part of Marriott. I am a rewards member with the Marriott also. It's not bad. Okay. That's what the view look like. They pull this thing up. Let's see. Oh, wow. Beautiful highway. Okay. Beautiful highway. This is a legit gym. I'm good. I ain't gotta go to the gym. I'm about to go see the urban neighborhood in Washington. I'm trying to see if there's an urban neighborhood here. I mean, the world I usually go. Hold on, yo, got it. I usually go to the urban neighborhood everywhere I go just to see what it's like. So I'm going to the urban area. I'm not sure if it's even an urban area.
In 2 miles, take exit 283A toward East 2nd Avenue.
It says MLK, something center. So I figured MLK got to be around the urban neighborhood. So I'm going to see what's around there. And usually what's around the urban neighborhood is good food, right? Good food. You know, some might say it might not be good food, but you know what we call good food. So I'm just about to go see. I typed in something called, I just typed in MLK on Google, and you know, and something pop up, some center. So I'm going to see what's around there.
Might be looking at you for guidance, like, you know, any daily.
You know what I'm saying? Like, time is the most valuable thing in the world. It's your biggest asset.
Dr. Martin Luther King Community Center. Well, there's no food around.
Your destination is on the right.
I got a question for y'all. Let's do it. I got a question for y'all. Y'all left me off their list too.
You saw the list. I was gonna bring up the list. It was honorable mention.
He was definitely in the conversation. So everybody was sending me that. I'm like,
All right, so let's talk about this then. So what's your top 10?
I ain't gonna lie, y'all. Since I've been up here, I haven't seen not one black person. No, I saw one person at the hotel.
We called in a few friends.
Who do we have?
I'm in Spokane. I think Spokane.
We did.
We had
Washington.
Diddy.
They got an MLK Museum. You think this is oh, they got a goat over there. Who the goat? You think it's a black neighborhood, right? It's not.
But I'm happy that
I would not have my kid
I pulled it up.
walking on the outside like that.
Here we go.
No
This is the
way.
list. We'll put it on the graphic. So structure.
What's going on right here?
Scale.
What they got on them big old shorts?
Underrated. It's very underrated because he has a long consistency.
I guess
I got super
it's
respect for Jermaine, a producer too, bro. Right? That's why
And a songwriter.
because he's a producer, but he's an executive too.
That's
so
weird.
Some people argue, yes, more of his catalog might be R&B, but people forget a lot of the hip hop that he's done.
He did a lot.
That's for sale, though.
Yeah.
Dame Dash changed the game.
They were arguing that one too because we should have maybe had put Jay together, but
Town is a small town. There's no black people over here. I was looking for the black people, y'all. There's no black people over here. Spokane, pick up yourself.
maybe
there's no black. I need more black people over here.
But this is what I'm saying.
Ain't no good food. I don't see no food.
That's what I'm saying too.
I'm about to see what the gym is about in Washington, Spokane, Washington. I guess you can see people at the gym, right? Because I don't really see nobody around here like that. So let's go to the gym. Let's go in the atmosphere. This hotel actually has a pretty nice gym. But, because I want to see what's going on in Spokane, Washington, we're touring the city. Because so far it looks like nothing is out here. I'm going to go to the gym. You can always find people at the gym. Who knows? Might have a conversation with somebody. Let them tell me about Spokane. Spokane. Or is it Spokane? I don't know. Whatever it is. Yeah. What's up, y'all? What's up, y'all? Just pulled up.
You called me back.
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Pulled up to the gym. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. It's like 3 cars in the parking lot. Oh my gosh. It's really a small town for real, though. This is crazy. 3 cars in the parking lot, so obviously there's nobody in there. So I won't get meet nobody.
It's nice that you watch your back.
There's nobody in this gym. But really what it is, I go in there and show my face, they know who I am. I turn up. Didn't know Orlando was in here. Yes, sir. Y'all, we at the second gym. This look a little bit more. Oh, there go a black guy over there. Uh-oh. There's a lot of people in here, so okay, we're gonna see what it's about. Fitness center. All right, y'all.
just leaving the gym. I must say, this gym was a surprise. It's actually a pretty nice gym. I was impressed. It was big. Definitely was big. It had a lot of different departments. It had a big old basketball gym where like, big old, yeah, I said big old. It had like 4 or 5 different goals. And they had a pool. And they had the racquetball section. And they had jacuzzi. Then they had like 2 sides for the gym, right? They had a side where you just, I guess on one side, it's pretty much legs. The other side is like chest and stuff like that. Then the other side look like that's where the trainer used. They have a couple massage rooms. I'm impressed. I must say that. I must say that I am impressed. Shout out to them. Fitness center. Shout out to the fitness center. Be all right with me. I will be back tomorrow. Yep. Now I'm about to find something to eat, y'all. Gotta find something to eat. Look at this Christ, 100, 190. Yo, what is this? This don't even make sense. And I'm in Washington. Do this make sense in Washington? Look at the temperature, the highs. Look at this. It's crazy. I don't know, boy. Washington, this ain't it. I feel like I'm in like Arizona or something. It's hot out here. It looked like the freaking desert. On the news I was looking this morning, it said it's like 108 degrees somewhere around here. What the heck? I'd never expect that, not from Washington. We don't even get that hot in Florida. That's crazy. I was expecting it to be somewhat cold up here because it is the month of August. I don't know when this video dropped, but hey, it's August when I recorded this. This is crazy. Look at this. This is freaking desert. Last time I seen something look very similar to this, I think I was driving through New Mexico. Yes. I think I was on 80. I think it was 80. Very lonely road. And I vouch, never again will I ride on this road. And I never expect that out of New Mexico. I mean, out of Washington, here we are. As a matter of fact, it was so hot yesterday, it was a fire, like the field was on fire. I said, this is crazy. That's crazy. I don't know. It's supposed to be like cold in my head, but Washington, I'm not impressed. But then again, I'm not near the big city either. I think it says Seattle's like 3-4 hours away from here. So I don't know. I'm close to Oregon. Look at this. Why would you want to live out here? Nothing out here. I wouldn't live out here. If I had like a spring by me, yes. There's nothing out here. But to each his own, I guess. Yeah. So I just looked at my phone and it says SOS. This is crazy. So there's literally no signal out here. That's like what it shows on like the airplane when you up way too high, and you didn't put it on airplane mode. It said SOS. No, sir. I mean, all right, I'm good. I'm Gucci. I would not live out here. I guess is this what you call off the grid? I guess it's off the grid, I guess. I don't know. Not for me though. I stay on the grid right now. Like everything looks deserted. So at one point they had something, I don't know what it is, something out here. Like every building I see looks deserted. Nah, bruh. Nah, it's not one of them towns I want to be riding through it late night. I don't want to be riding through it right now. Funny story. Like about 30 minutes ago, I was driving, right? And I tried to grab my AirPod. My AirPod connected to the key because I have a key hook. And while I was grabbing it, I turned the truck off. But I didn't realize I turned the truck off. So I'm looking at the truck. I see the truck slowing down. I'm like, what is going on? Gas, it shows no gas, shows nothing. I said, what the world? So as I pulled over, I was panicking for like 5 to 10 seconds. I said, hold up. I'm like, man, I did not want to pull over. Hey, ain't no life in nowhere close to me.
Nothing, no gas station, no nothing. I said, who am I gonna call? And I said, oh, turn the truck on, Orlando. Remember you just did this, did that? So yeah. Washington, big up yourself. Well, this side I told him, not for me. Like my phone have no signal at all. Y'all see this? This is crazy. Like it's corner going down the hill. Boy, if you ain't no driver, you just feel like you're gonna just let that truck run. Man, you going over banks. You going over there. It's downhill now, but it's straight like drifting corners. I'm about to drift this truck around this corner. Yeah, man, look at that. This ain't it. Okay, this is different. Views. This is okay. This is a little different. Okay, all right. Hold up now. This road kind of narrow for a two-way. What the heck? Out here by a prison, I guess. Free the guys. Oh, never mind. I ain't got no guys over there. Free the free people. The people that didn't do nothing wrong. Is that what they say? Yeah. Free them. Free the innocent. If you did it, you deserve to be over there. What? You break out of that jail, there's nowhere to run. There's nowhere to run to. Look at this, there's nothing around here. Sheesh.
It's that 66, that old and New Testament. Jesus, he the...
We gotta make sure it's good. We're walking. Yeah, that's a journey. I'm going this way on the other side of the airport. All right, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share.